We made it over here to the rocks, and I'm telling you what, it's surreal. The river does not like it. Oh, we got some swells. Oh, he's definitely gonna freak out. Oh, this is so cool. Hey, just sit. There's nowhere you can jump off. There's nowhere for you to go, buddy. And I think he knows it. Hey. Lay down. Get my one hand paddle on. No. That's a straight drop off. Look, my truck's way over there. Dude, this is so awesome. River, I'm so proud of you. Yes, you are just the bestest birthday boy ever. He knows he can't jump off. It's just there's nowhere to go. He actually learned that in the Gunnison River. Hey, shh, shh, shh. Just stay on the boat. The boat is safe. Anyway, I'm going to book it out of here. This is so cool, though. River, you're a good boy.